Welcome back, Year 6, Lesson 11. Today we're going to be doing a mental maths test, similar to the one we did before. There's going to be 12 questions. I'm going to read through each question twice, and I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds for each question. Remember, my advice to you is, if you haven't got an answer and I've moved on to the next question, move on with me. And remember, you're not going to have long for each question. So if you need to write down a couple of things, then do so, but you're not going to have time to work things out, okay? So you're going to have to do work things out in your head. We're going to get started in 10 seconds, okay? Okay, fab. Question 1. Write down in figures the number 18,907. That's write down in figures the number 18,907. Question 2, what is 9 multiplied by 9? What is 9 multiplied by 9? Question 3, count on 47 from 48. Count on 47 from 48. Question 4. Add 89 to 24. Add 89 to 24. Question 5. Subtract 19 from 65. Subtract 19 from 65. Question 6. How many minutes are there in 4 hours, 7 minutes? So how many minutes are there in 4 hours, 7 minutes? Question 7. Double 115. Double 115. Question 8. Round 12.4 to the nearest whole number. Round 12.4 to the nearest whole number. Question 9. Think about this next term because we have used it before. What is the product of 19 and 3? What is the product of 19 and 3? Okay, question 10. I'm going to write down 3 numbers. I want you to tell me which of these numbers is a multiple of 8. So which of those numbers is a multiple of 8? Question 11. What is the difference between 190 and 255? What is the difference between 190 and 255? And question 12, I'm going to write down 3 numbers and I want you to add them together. So add together those 3 numbers. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds and then we'll go through the answers. Okay then, so question 1, you should have written down 18,907, like that. And if you put a comma in there, that's fine. Question 2, 9 multiplied by 9 was 81. Question 3, count on 47 from 48. The answer was 95. Question 4, add 89 to 24. So I added 24 onto 89 because I find it easier doing it that way, and the answer is 113. Question 5, subtract 19 from 65. The answer is 46. The next question, how many minutes are there in 4 hours and 7 minutes? Well, there's 240 in 4 hours, and then I need to add on my 7. So I get 247 minutes. Question 7, double 115 was 230. Question 8, round 12.4 to the nearest whole number. You'd have rounded it down to 12. Question 9, product means multiply. So I was asking you to multiply 19 and 3 together. The answer is 57. Question 10, I gave you 3 numbers and I asked you which is a multiple of 8. So the easiest way of explaining what a multiple is if I count up and up and up in that number, do I land on it? If I land on it, it's a multiple. And the only one of those 3 numbers that I gave you that 8 lands on is 160. 28s equal 160. Question 11, the difference between 190 and 255 was 65. And then the last one, I gave you 3 numbers to add together. And add together, they gave you 100. So there's your answers. If you got 12 out of 12, absolutely superb. I would say 9 and above out of 12 is a really good score. Okay, but the most important thing is you're really trying to put to use your mental math skills. So well done for completing lesson 11, and I look forward to seeing you for lesson 12.